rustic youth and maiden, down on the farm, with hearts so heavy laden, down on the farm. They held each other's hands and looked into each other's eyes, and started to tell each other lies. He kissed her by the cowshed door. She said, I've not been kissed before. And the mockingbird went, and the donkey went, He said, my love, I'll swear to you. Said she, I'll smack you if you do. And the mockingbird went, and the donkey went, Nelly fly, said, oh, how you tease me. I'm so shy, when you start to squeeze me. He said, come tell me, pretty miss, where did you learn to squeeze and kiss? And the mockingbird went, and the donkey went, She said, I love the twilight, down on the farm. Said he, the dark is my light, down on the farm. She said, you seem so big and brave and mighty strong to me. I think you've had onions for your tea. He said, I'll buy you furs and gems and all the pretty these and them. And the mockingbird went, and the donkey went, and to my mansion we'll repair. I'll build you castles in the air. And the mockingbird went, donkey went, Nelly fly, said, do you take Peter? He said, I to Nelly fly, and most discreet Ardelia. Neath the table squeezed her hand, squashed her piece of bread and jam. And the mockingbird went, and the donkey went, there and milk the cow. I'll do my bit, said he, and how? The mockingbird went, and the donkey went, He found an old three-legged stool and sat right down to milk the bull. And the mockingbird went, and the donkey went, Nelly fly, went all in a lather, began to cry himself goodbye. That's the poor cow's father. He turned white and looked surprised, then to the bull apologized. And the mockingbird went, and the donkey went,